Hi, this is Sheyi from Don't Go Broke TV, and today we want to talk about passive income. Have you seen videos of online entrepreneurs sipping wine by the beach, going for exotic vacations all over the globe, shopping at very exquisite stores, playing table tennis in the middle of the day, just having the fun of their life while they earn passive income, or so they say? It makes passive income looks like the dream of every one of us. And we are asking, what is this passive income? I also want to get passive income. And when you think about passive income, it looks like income that you get from doing absolutely nothing. It's almost like money is falling from heaven. But the truth is there anything like that? Does passive income really exist? And if it does, where can we find it? Where can we also get a bite or a pie of passive income? And that's what we'll be talking about in today's video. And as I go through the video, giving my thoughts and my opinion, I would welcome you to also leave your comments and your thoughts in the comments below, because I'm looking forward to hearing what everybody thinks about passive income and what your experience or the experience of anybody you know is with passive income. And from my experience and from the research that I've done, passive income is actually not really passive. Passive income is active income that is put to work. What do I mean by this? Passive income gives the impression of monies that you get from doing nothing. But how do you get to that level where you have money from absolutely doing nothing? And I'm going to tell you. Remember, I said passive income is active income that's put to work. You start by having active income. And of course, active income, like the name implies, is income that you get from actively doing something. Maybe a job, maybe a business, maybe something, a side hustle that gives you money. Now, how do you turn that money to passive income? You invest it. Yeah. You invest it in maybe real estate, you invest it in stocks, you invest it in mutual funds, you invest it on all other kinds of investments, and it starts giving you income. We'll talk about those investments in a bit. But then the income that you get from those investments, you return them back to your active income so that you can have more monies to put towards earning passive income. Passive income doesn't start at passive income. I don't like it when people always tell people, oh, you can make money from doing nothing. And they actually don't explain that you actually have to manage the operations of whatever income making vehicle that you have, so that it continues to make passive income for you. People just think that, oh, I'll just start this business or I'll just do this and I start earning this passive income. So let's talk about some of the investments that you can put your active income in that can actually give you passive income at the end of the day. So the first is things like high income savings accounts. There are some high income savings accounts in today's world that can give you upwards of 4%, which is a lot considering what you get from just putting your money in a savings account. Then there's also investing in stocks and mutual funds. You can also invest in real estate. It might not be buying and selling of real estate. It might be investing in an Airbnb, investing in real estate investment funds, or investing in any other type of real estate. There are a bunch of real estate investments that you can do, or real estate business, but that's not what this video is about. You can also invest in a business. There are different kinds of business you can invest in, ranging from online businesses to offline businesses to providing services. The list is endless. I did a video here where I talked about 12 businesses that you can start in Canada with less than $1,000. Any of those can also be what you invest your active income in. Eventually, if you invest in things like the high interest savings account, you start getting, interest payments, or your stocks, you can getting dividend income, or from a real estate business, you start getting paid. Now, sometimes it may look as if you're doing nothing and that money is coming, but you and I know that you're not actually doing nothing. If you have a stock account, you have to manage it. High interest savings account, you really don't have to do anything. If you have a business, you have to manage it. Now, there are some online business like affiliate marketing where you get to a point where you are not actively involved, because affiliate marketing, you don't have to be actively involved because you're selling somebody else's product for a commission, and it's that person who owns the product that goes through all the operational interactions with the client on the business. You just have to send a few emails, market the product, and get paid. That's what a lot of online entrepreneurs call passive income. And they give the impression that they do nothing all day, but they just wake up to clink, 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 money in the bank. It is not actually so. I want you to aspire to passive income. I mean, who doesn't want it? But I just wanted you to have a clear understanding of what passive income is so that you can manage your expectations. A lot of people, after watching these videos, they click on the link, sign up for the businesses, and after 2 months, they are back to where they started from. They've not made any passive income. It's because they didn't do the work. They just expected that they'll just sign up for this business or sign up for this course, and before you know it, they too will be earning income. It's not like that. So for you to earn passive income, which is great income, by the way, because who doesn't want to wake up to the sound of money landing in your bank account, right? However, for you to earn that money, you have to work on passive income. You have to invest some time managing that business or that income or that mutual funds or that stock portfolio for it to actually start generating passive income for you. So this is just a few thoughts I have on passive income. If you have any thoughts, I want to really hear from you, hear your experiences. What do you think about passive income? Are there any other ways that we can also earn passive income that I haven't mentioned here? I'll be looking forward to your comments in the comment box below. Thank you very much for listening up to this point. This is a new channel. We want your support. Help us subscribe, like the video, share it, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye for now.